Hey photographers, in this video we're going to go through all of the steps that you need to know for getting started with School Prints by Nations Photo Lab. As you can see, we're taking a look at the School Prints by Nations Photo Lab homepage, which is www.schoolprints.com. Here at schoolprints.com, it's pretty straightforward how to get started, but we're going to go through each step. First, you can sign up for an account right here. Just type in your information and tell us a little bit more about your studio and your business. Once you click sign up, you'll get an email confirmation. The email confirmation will include your account number and also a link to download our online ordering software, which is called Rose. You can also see that you can download the Rose software right here, this green button here where it says download. And then you can see here, we'll play this video right now, and you can see this little introduction to everything about School Prints. School Prints by Nations Photo Lab is ideal for school photographers, whether you're photographing preschool or basically preschool through 12. As you can see, school, underclass, sports and team and individual sports, dance, martial arts and events, any type of photography where you're selling package prints. At 87 cents per sheet, we print on Kodak Enduro professional paper. Free shipping on most orders. That means orders exceeding $55. And we do have some awesome templates, especially for our sports products. Carry champion digital designs, and you can find those in the School Prints Rose. And as we're going through in this video, getting started is easy. You can sign up, download Rose, and then we create and order packages through the Rose software. We have a lot of other videos on how to create packages, save your packages, also known as favorites in the Rose program. Also, you'll notice the bottom left corner here, and at the bottom we have different links for different demos. For different video demos, you can also access our Facebook page, Twitter, and YouTube for more information, where you can find a lot of different content. Of course, you can give us a call on our toll-free number, and definitely take advantage of 20% off of your first order. As you can see, they'll pop up on the left-hand side here, and we have some other links on the site here with pricing, our template catalog, as well as information on shipping. The most up-to-date information can be found in the Rose software, so we highly recommend that you download the Rose software. And the first thing we would definitely recommend would be ordering evaluation prints. We can go ahead and link the evaluation prints video so you can learn how to order those. Thanks so much for watching this video.